Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30-day vocabulary series. So today is day 9 and today I am going to share a word that most of us do every day without even realizing it. And yes, I'll also give you a smart way to remember this word. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So today's word of the day is overthink. Yes, we use overthink as a verb. Now let's understand the meaning. Overthink means thinking too much about something, especially in a negative or unnecessary way. In हिंदी ओवरथिंक का मतलब होता है किसी चीज को जरूरत से ज्यादा सोचना. Now let's look at some synonyms of this word. Overanalyze, worry too much, and overconsider. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. I used to overthink a lot before speaking English. Don't overthink while speaking English, just speak naturally. She tends to overthink before making decisions. Now here comes a smart way to remember this word. See, over plus think. It's already telling you a meaning. Like thinking but overthinking. That means like more than necessary. So just remember, too much thinking means overthinking. Simple. Whenever your mind keeps thinking again and again about the same thing, that is overthinking. So that's all. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in the next video with another powerful word in our 30-day vocabulary series. Bye bye. See you.